Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be on a bunch of new products I'm applying on my face today, trying things with you guys. And yeah, so I got some stuff from Ulta and some from Sephora. So I'm just going to go through them quickly and we'll start the video. So from Ulta, I got a new brush from It Cosmetics. I'm going to be using this one today. I got the Futurist Hydro Rescue Foundation from Estee Lauder as well. So I applied all these products on my face today, and I also got this Anastasia lipstick. This is the satin lipstick in the shade taupe beige. So this is what I'm wearing as well. I also got this sanitizer. I'm really excited to use it. We don't have it in Canada, so I did get this one when I was there. And the last thing I got from Ulta was the Ardell lashes. These are the pre-glued under lash extension. And then from Sephora, I got the Dior Forever Glow Star Filter in the shade number 2. I'm going to be using my Danessa Myrex, which I never use on my channel. I also got those new Milk Makeup blushes in 2 shades, so I'm going to use those as well. And I also got the Sephora Collection Best Skin Ever Glow Concealer. This is in the shade number 23. And the last thing from Sephora, I grabbed this Summer Fridays lip oil. This is in the shade Pink Cloud. So I did apply all these products on my face today. I also have to talk about these necklaces that I got from Luisa. These are beautiful necklaces. They have good quality. I got those too, and I've been wearing them for about 2 weeks now. So I got the Cancer sign here and then this necklace as well. I really like the quality of these necklaces. They have so many designs. They have so many beautiful designs for necklaces, rings, and earrings. My next purchase is going to be on some rings. I love rings, so I'm gonna get that. So these are water resistant, hypoallergenic. They don't tarnish at all. They have a 2-year warranty, which is amazing. I don't think I've heard anybody giving us warranty on necklaces, on jewelry online. They have good quality products. I've been wearing these for almost 2 weeks now. I've been in the shower with them. No tarnishing, nothing. They haven't changed in color. They still look beautiful. No scratches whatsoever on this beautiful big necklace here that I have. The color is gorgeous, good quality. I highly recommend them. I'm really happy that you can find good jewelry with reasonable prices. They have silver and they have gold as well. Gold is my favorite at the moment, so I'm having a gold moment. I'll link their website down below if you want to shop, but they have really good deals at the moment. So if you get 2 things from their website, you get 20% off, and then if you get 3 products, you get 25% off, which is really amazing. I'm gonna start with my Shiseido SPF. This is SPF 42. I really like it. It's very, very lightweight, and I take about this much. It's white, but it goes on really sheer. So I have so many new products today. I'm gonna be using most of them. I'm so excited. I haven't used the foundation in so long. Maybe my last time I used it was back in December, just maybe around Christmas time when I used it, and I haven't used it since. I've been just doing some concealer, some skincare product, illuminating product underneath, and I'm set to go. And I just do my blush and bronzer. So today we're going to be using a foundation. I'm going to be using today this palette from Danessa Myrex. I haven't used it on my channel yet. I did get it in my last haul from Sephora, and I think that was back in November. But this has beautiful colors and very neutral shades. There are creams and powders, so I'm not sure which one is the cream. So the big pans are the cream and these are the powder. I'm just gonna do very simple eye look because I'm not really into a lot of makeup. Lately, as I said, I'm like very minimal. I'm gonna conceal my eyes with this shade right here, which is actually very convenient to have in a palette, and it's cream, so it's gonna conceal my eyelids. I'm gonna do that quick, and I'm just gonna go with very neutral shades on my eyes. I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and I'm just gonna go to the powder side, which is the same shade, and I'm just gonna set it. Take this shade right here and I'm gonna apply it all over my crease. Those shadows are very pigmented, so probably I'm just gonna zoom you in a little bit. I'm just going to apply it on the outer corner, and then I'm going to bring it right in the inner. And I'm just going to take it all the way up on my crease. Flat brush like this, and I'm just going to go with that first shade that we applied, and I'm just going to apply it all over my inner third of my eyelid. It's like a mimicking a cut crease kind of thing, but not too precise. I just want it to look cleanish. Dip into this brown color. I wish the big pans were the powder. I like powder eyeshadows, to be honest. So I'm just applying it in the outer corner, and I'm just blending. Not too precise. I'm gonna go with a black powder. I'm just smudging this black shade along my lashes, just like that. I'm gonna try some new lashes to me. These are Ardell Naked. These are the pre-glued under lash extensions, which I'm really excited. So you put them underneath your lashes, not over top. I'm really excited about these ones. I've never tried them, so it comes with big tweezers and then 3 different lash sizes. You get the 8, 10, and 12. So let's try this, and I'm just gonna do like halfway. So I'm gonna apply them from the middle to the end. I'm not gonna do like the full eyelashes. I'm gonna take now the 10. So you should not be touching the top where the glue is. Just make sure that you don't do that. And I'm just gonna do the 10 right here. Actually, they're very easy to apply. And I'm gonna take the number 12. Which I feel like they're a little bit long, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna like that. We'll see. I'm gonna apply them right at the outer corner. And then I'm gonna squeeze them all together. Oh, these are really nice. They look very natural. I'm just gonna add one more. I'm gonna add the number 10 in the middle. Just want a little bit more length with my, so just right here. There we go, that's better. Oh, these are so pretty, very natural looking. So I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. They look really nice, natural, that's what I want. Sephora, I'm gonna use this Dior Forever Glow Star Filter. I got it in the shade number 2. I wanted number 3, but they didn't have it in stock, so I went to 2. I think it's gonna look okay. This is just a filter, a glow, like a base. It's not a foundation, it doesn't have any coverage. This is what it looks like, you know, like the Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. Apply it with a brush. Not sure how much we need, but I'm just gonna take it all over my face. It smells like the Dior product. It's really pretty. The glow is really, really natural, as you can see, but when it dries down, it gives you that beautiful, very soft canvas. Like when I feel it on my hand, it's really, really soft. It feels like you have a primer on, which I really enjoy that feeling, you know, the softness, and gives you a glow. It's very natural. It's not like tacky, it's not greasy. It sets down really nicely. A new brush to try today, and this is from It Cosmetics. This is for Ulta. I got this from Ulta, and it was 50% off, which I was really excited when I saw it, to be honest. And I love It Cosmetics brushes, so this is number 77, I believe. Yes. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to use my new foundation today, and this is from Estee Lauder. This is the Futurist Hydro Rescue Moisturizing Makeup, broad spectrum of SPF 45 here, and I got my shade in Desert Beige, which is 2 and 1. which is my actual foundation shade from the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. This is what it looks like. It's a tube, squeezy. It has a pump, and I'm just going to take maybe just a pump. It looks a little light in the tube. It's very runny, as you can see. So I'm just going to spread it with my finger first, and then I'm just going to blend it with the It Cosmetics brush. I like big foundation brushes. When I went to Ulta on the weekend, that was on Sunday, I believe. Yeah, Sunday. They did have the It Cosmetics, this brush, and the Futurist foundation from Estee Lauder. They had a few things from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Like they had the lip liners, some liquid lipsticks, and then other lipsticks as well. They were like all 50% off, which I think it was a good deal. So the foundation has, I would say medium buildable. It's really nice. Very lightweight. It's very beautiful on the skin, you guys. It has soft natural finish. It's beautiful. Yeah, no complaints. So far, so good. I got the new Sephora collection Best Skin Ever Glow Concealer. This is in the shade number 23. So this one has a medium coverage. It's glowy, so it has a glow to it. I'm just gonna apply it underneath my eyes because really I don't need any more coverage on my skin. While this sits on my skin, I'm just gonna bronze my skin. I'm gonna use a Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Floss Filter. This is in the shade 6.5 Deep. I've been really loving this shade for my bronzing, and I love liquid bronzers. So I'm just gonna apply it just a little bit here just to give me a little bit of warmth. This is number 64 from Sephora collection. This has a little bit of a warmth to it, so it's really a beautiful bronzing shade. So now I'm gonna blend my concealer. Yeah, the coverage is really nice. It's very natural looking under the eyes. I'm not sure if you have a lot of dark circles, if this is going to cover the entire thing. It has like a medium coverage, so it's not like full. But it's really nice actually. I really enjoy these kind of finishes. And if you want to use a lightweight concealer like this, but you have dark circles, just correct them. Color correct first and then apply this. I think this has a beautiful finish as well. Two blushes from Milk Makeup that I grabbed from Sephora, and I got two shades. I got Spritz and Burst. I'm not sure which one I'm going for today. Since I have like warm tones on my eyes, I'm gonna go with Spritz. These are they stain, so don't apply them on your hands because they're gonna stain. I feel like they apply differently when you have them on your cheeks because you have a layer of foundation or moisturizer, so they blend better. But once you swatch them on your hands, they stain and then they're not going anywhere. So I think these will be really nice for the summertime. Yeah, the shade is so pretty. Like it's a peachy neutral color. It's really, really pretty. And the color Burst is this one here. Maybe I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks a little bit, just right here, just to give me a little bit of a flush. There we go. There we go. It looks really nice. I've been really loving blush lately. Like, I don't know, maybe because I don't do a lot of foundation. I just apply concealer and just some blush and I'm good to go. So pretty. Very it's not matte, but it's not too glowy. It's perfect. I love cream blushes. I think Milk Makeup nailed it. they do stain, so they stay a long time on your skin. I don't have new powder today, so I'm just going to use my Huda Beauty. This is in the shade Cupcake. So I'm looking under my eyes. It hasn't creased yet. I'm not sure if you can see. It's been on my skin for about 2 minutes, I would say. I applied my blush and I'm looking at it. It's still looking the same. So I'm just going to set it. And I love this powder puff. Just gonna set a little bit on my chin. Gets a little shiny there. And then whatever's left, I'm just gonna do my forehead. Not sure if I want to apply a little bit of highlight, just a tiny bit. I'm gonna use this Merit. This is in the shade Cava. This is highlighting balm from Merit, and I'm just gonna take it with my finger just a little bit to give me a little bit of a glow. Just like that, just a little bit on the nose. So I'm gonna go with this shade here. They have names, actually I didn't know that. This is called Chisel. I'm gonna take the powder side and I'm just gonna buff it under my lash line. Maybe I'm just gonna take a little bit of this chiseled again and I'm just gonna contour. And I'm just going to apply it right on my nose. So for lips, I got 2 products. I got this one from Sephora. This is the Summer Friday lip oil, and this is called the Dream Lip Oil in the shade Pink Cloud from Summer Fridays. And I also got a new lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the satin lipstick in the shade Taupe Beige. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna line up my lips first. This is from Anastasia. This is in the shade Deep Taupe. I really like this color. I'm going actually to try the lipstick first, and then I'm gonna wipe it off and put the lip oil at the end. So this is the lipstick. It's so pretty. This was 50% off at Ulta. I love the smell of the Anastasia lipsticks. So this is satin finish. This is really, really pretty. Very beautiful nude taupey color. Really like it. I'm just gonna go over with this lip oil. I've tried this one on its own. It's really, really pretty. So this one is not too sheer. It gives you a little bit of like a pink tint to your lips. It has a beautiful glossy finish. So I'm just gonna go over this color, and maybe we'll make our own combo today. Yeah, it's so pretty. Yeah, the color is so gorgeous. I really, really like this combo here. Yeah, so this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful. And I really actually enjoyed everything that I got in this haul. I really like the base. I like my eyelashes. I like my lips, my cheeks. I think I really like everything that I got. No regrets. And I also love these necklaces from Luisa. I'll link it down below in the description box if you want to shop. I think they have a good deal right now. If you get 2 products, it's 20% off, and then if you get 3 products, you get 25% off, which is really a good deal. This comes to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed everything that I applied today on my face. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.